Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Night Scene. And what it is a motion sensor 138 LED closet light that you can use to kind of brighten up the room, or if you guys going in the closet, it has a motion sensor on here so you guys don't have to turn on the light or whatever. So first thing first, let me actually open it up and show you guys what the product looks like before we test it out and everything. So basically here's what the product looks like, as you can see. And if you guys can see inside, there's a user manual on how to set up the product and how to use it and all the different functionality that's on this product. And they also provide you a USB to micro USB cable to charge the product, because this product is actually rechargeable. So if you guys look right here, this is where you actually plug in the cable for the micro USB to actually charge the product. Here's the little motion sensor part to actually sense any kind of motion to activate and charge the product. If you guys look right here, here's a button to turn off and on the product. So there's an auto mode, the off and on mode, which is on this button right here. And on the other side, there's 3000, 4500, 6000. So depending on which light you guys want to use or what kind of brightness or color you guys want to use, it's all on here. So if you guys turn on the auto option, if it senses any kind of like motion, then actually will turn on the light, and the light actually stays on for a while. So you can see right here, and see the light turns on already. And if you guys want to, you guys can turn on the on option so the light always stays on. So for me, I think I prefer to have like the motion sensor option on, so that way it doesn't always stay on and save battery that way. So if you can see this light right here, this is 3500. If I turn it to 4000, this is basically what it looks like. And if I turn it to the last one, which is 6000, which is the brightest one, you guys can see how bright it can get. So the light itself is actually super bright, especially if you guys turn it to the maximum of 6000. It is actually really bright, especially if you guys put it in like a little closet or somewhere. You guys can definitely see how bright it can get. And for this light, you guys don't have to just put it in a closet. You guys can put this basically anywhere. You guys can put it in your kitchen, you guys can put it at your closet, you guys can put it into a storage room, maybe in a hallway, because it has this sticky part in the back where you actually can stick it on and it'll actually stay on really well. And maybe if you guys wanted to, you guys don't even need to stick it on somewhere. You guys can just bring it around somewhere. If you guys want to go camping or something, bring your like portable chargers and just bring it along with you guys as a camping light or something as well. You guys have that option. But in terms of charging this product, how long does it take to charge the product? Let's go charge it up and see how long it takes. Alright, so here we have the motion sensor LED light. So we have the product all plugged in already, if you can see right here. And the way how you guys know it's charging is by this red indicator light right here. So if you guys can see this red indicator light, this is how you guys know it's charging. When it's fully charged, the light should either turn off or turn green. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that it does charge and actually works quite well. In terms of the charging time, I was actually able to charge this product within 2 hours or so. And for that 2 hour charge time, this product will last you for a really long time. As long as you guys have the motion sensor light option on instead of having on like 24/7, then you guys would have a really long battery life on this product. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it because of the fact that it works well. You guys can see that it has 3 different color options or brightness option on here, and the fact that it has the rechargeable option using the micro USB is pretty amazing. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have